Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Bismaya Wali, and today I discuss a very interesting topic with AI: how to develop effective public speaking skills. So, without wasting our time, let's get started our conversation. Hey, how are you?